Good afternoon. I hope you are doing well. I haven't been able to connect back with Nova, but I was there for her initial IFSP meeting with the service coordinator and also with Erica. I don't know if you remember me, but my name is Monica and I'm an intern there. And part of our assignment is to actually do a coaching video, and it is to actually do coaching sessions with the parents, and it's to teach you a strategy that you can practice with Nova. And one of the things that I noticed is that Nova had the food sensory sensitivities, and I know Dad was talking about how she didn't like certain foods and he had a hard time or difficult time getting her to try certain foods. So I wanted to try with you all choices. Choices is kind of ideas for providing some choices during some of the activities. So even if you started with Nova with giving her choices during playtime, I think we can then move up to giving her some food choices. So one of the things I thought would be good, because I noticed she had like her area, her play area that she likes to play in. You can offer different blocks, colored blocks. I can't remember if she had those or not. But nonetheless, whatever toys that you know may be her favorite, you can offer choices. So you could start with saying, do you want the little block or do you want the big block? And you can hold them both out and give her a little time space to select which one she wants. You could also, during an activity, ask her about colors. So you may have some different colors of items, and you can say, do you want the blue one or do you want the red one? So I will stop here and give you an opportunity to practice that. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm back. The next thing I wanted to go to is when you are getting ready for mealtime, maybe giving Nova an activity to do around mealtime, such as helping set up the meal. So if it's a snack or if it's maybe breakfast or dinner, you could ask her if she would like to help by passing out the napkin, plates or forks or utensils, cups, something like that. So you can get her involved in activities around the food to kind of get her used to that activity and get her used to it's time to have a snack or it's time to have a meal. So you could ask her, would you like to pass out the fork or would you like to set up the table? Did you want to set up your napkin? Did you want to set up your plate? So you could have both in your hand. Maybe you have a stack of napkins, maybe you have a spoon, and you're saying, would you like to set up the spoon or would you like to use a napkin? I hope this makes sense. So it's called choices, and these are just ideas to provide choices because it allows for dual language learners to see words paired with objects. So if you are saying the word with the object, and this is just leading up to her being able to actually see foods. So the next thing is we're going to introduce her to a food board. And so we'll do that slowly, but this is just the first thing, and then I'll introduce the food board later. Hopefully I can see Nova in person and introduce a food board, which will also give her choices as well. Thank you.